Salfa and Xena have been driving their parents nuts all day. And one thing in particular has got Pops ticked off.
The girls like to feed the seagulls their chips all the time.
Now it's time to teach them that sharing isn't caring.
Kids don't know this, but this is payback for them being crazy. This is their chips, and we buried them.
Yeah.
The girls could probably claw their way out. But the sand is the only thing between them and the big scary birds.
Like the whole beach full of seagulls came.
Look at all the birds.
The birds were all like, yeah, chips.
That's just the sound of good parenting.
Ah, this is payback, little kid. Go get 'em.
I was scared they were gonna peck out my eyes or something.
We were practically about to pee our pants, but I didn't. She almost did.
Way to throw your sister under the bus.
Hey, are you kids gonna listen? This is so funny.
Thankfully, escape is in reach.
Oh yeah, I thought it went pretty well. It was funny as heck to me.
It was just awesome. It was an awesome day.
And they ran. They ran so far away.
If my mom ever asks for a drink of water, I'm gonna get toilet water for them, and I'm gonna let them drink it.
I still don't think that's good enough.
This is their chips.
After this, I'd say they've earned some revenge.